If you've ever looked at a beautifully crafted wooden shelf or a handmade stool and thought, I wish I could build that, you're not alone. The truth is, most people never start woodworking because they believe it's too complicated, too expensive, or just takes too much time to learn. But the reality is very different, especially when you've got the right woodworking plans for beginners. You don't need a giant workshop, you don't need thousands of dollars in tools, and you don't need years of experience. All you need is the right project to get started, something that teaches you the basics, builds your confidence, and actually gives you something useful when it's done. That's exactly what these 5 woodworking plans will do for you. These are simple, practical, and incredibly satisfying to build, even if it's your first time picking up a saw. Let's start with a classic, the wall tool organizer. Most people start collecting tools before they have a proper place to put them, and that creates clutter. A wall-mounted tool organizer not only keeps your space clean, it teaches you how to make accurate measurements, straight cuts, and basic joins. You'll learn how to use your drill properly, how to find studs in the wall, and how to mount something securely. Plus, it's fully customizable. You can make it as simple or as fancy as you want. It's a must-have project if you're serious about getting organized and building smart. Once your tools are in place, you'll want somewhere to sit, and that's where the simple wooden stool comes in. This project is perfect for beginners because it teaches one of the most important lessons in woodworking, stability. A stool that wobbles is a stool that fails. So with this build, you'll learn how to square your cuts, how to check for level, and how to reinforce joints. Even if your first try isn't perfect, you'll come away with new skills you can use in every project after. And the best part? You'll have a functional piece of furniture that you can use every day. Next up is the floating shelf. It's clean, modern, and fits in any room of the house. But more importantly, it teaches precision. You'll work with a level, you'll measure carefully, and you'll begin to understand how to align things visually. If you want a quick win that adds instant style to your space and teaches you core skills along the way, this is the one. And since it's mounted with hidden brackets, it's also a great intro to more advanced joinery down the road. Project number 4, the storage crate. Now this is one of the most underrated woodworking plans for beginners, but don't overlook it. A good storage box can go in your garage, your living room, or even the back of your truck. And building one teaches you everything from edge alignment to clamping to finishing techniques. Use scrap wood or even old pallets if you want to keep costs low. Add handles or wheels to customize it. It's versatile, it's durable, and it's the kind of project that just keeps giving. And finally, the project that brings everything together, the side table. This one looks like it belongs in a high-end furniture store. But with the right plan and a few basic tools, you can build it in a weekend. You'll learn to assemble legs evenly, match grain direction, and even experiment with design choices like shelves or drawers. Building your own side table doesn't just level up your skills, it gives you something to be proud of. Imagine pointing to a piece of furniture in your home and saying, I built that. That's real. These are the top 5 woodworking plans for beginners, not because they're trendy or flashy, but because they teach you the foundational skills that every woodworker needs, and they leave you with something you can actually use. You're not just learning, you're creating. And here's the truth, nothing builds momentum like success. When you complete your first project, no matter how small, something clicks. Suddenly, you're not just watching woodworking videos or browsing tools online. You're doing it. You're part of it. You're a builder now. Now, if you're wondering where to get these plans, I've made it simple for you. I've handpicked a collection of easy-to-follow woodworking plans for beginners that you can download instantly. These aren't complicated, they don't require expensive equipment, and they come with step-by-step instructions that even a total beginner can follow. Click the link in the description to check them out. Seriously, don't put this off. You could be holding a finished project in your hands by the end of the week. There's something deeply satisfying about making something real. You'll start noticing wood differently. You'll walk through a store and think, I could build that for half the price. And you'll be right. So don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect tool. Start where you are, use what you have, and build something today. The best woodworking plans for beginners aren't just projects. They're stepping stones to a whole new skill set and maybe a new passion. If you found this helpful, go ahead and tap that like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more future builders like you. And subscribe if you want more tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly project ideas coming your way. Most importantly, take action. You've already got the interest. Now get the plan. Click the link in the description, grab your first woodworking plan, and start building something you'll be proud of.